Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Ponoka, Alberta is located along the banks of the Battle River, about halfway between Edmonton and Calgary. At first glance, it feels like a typical prairie town, open skies, steady rhythms, and a strong sense of community. But Ponoka's story runs deeper than its modest size suggests, shaped by Indigenous heritage, early settlement, and a long-standing agricultural tradition that still defines the area today. Long before settlers arrived, this land was home to Indigenous peoples, including the Cree, who traveled and lived along the Battle River. The river itself was an important route for trade and movement, and the surrounding land provided food, shelter, and resources. The name Ponoka is believed to come from a Blackfoot word meaning elk, a reminder of the wildlife that once roamed these plains in large numbers. European settlement in the area began in the late 19th century, during a time when the Canadian government was encouraging westward expansion. Homesteaders arrived, drawn by the promise of fertile farmland and opportunity. By the 1890s, Ponoka had begun to take shape as a small but growing community, supported by agriculture and the arrival of the railway, which connected it to larger markets and made growth possible. The early 20th century brought steady development. Schools, churches, and businesses were established, giving the town structure and stability. Agriculture remained the backbone of the local economy, with farmers producing grain and raising livestock. The surrounding countryside became dotted with family farms, many of which have been passed down through generations. One of the most significant developments in Ponoka's history came in the early 1900s with the establishment of the Provincial Mental Institute, now known as the Centennial Center for Mental Health and Brain Injury. Opened in 1909, it became one of the largest employers in the region and played a major role in shaping the town's identity. Over time, it evolved into a modern healthcare facility reflecting changing attitudes toward mental health care in Canada. Ponoka is perhaps best known across the country for hosting one of Canada's premier rodeo events. The Ponoka Stampede began in 1936 and has grown into a major annual attraction, drawing competitors and spectators from across North America. Held every summer around Canada Day, it features professional rodeo events, chuck wagon races, parades, and a lively midway. For many, the Stampede is the heartbeat of Ponoka, blending tradition, sport, and community pride. Beyond the excitement of the Stampede, Ponoka offers a slower, more reflective experience rooted in its natural surroundings. The Battle River winds through the landscape, creating scenic views and opportunities for walking, fishing, and simply enjoying the quiet beauty of central Alberta. Parks and trails along the river provide a place to pause and take in the wide prairie sky. The town has also embraced its heritage through local museums and historic sites. These places preserve stories of early settlers, Indigenous history, and the evolution of rural life in Alberta. Old buildings, artifacts, and photographs offer a glimpse into how life once looked here, from the hardships of homesteading to the gradual growth of a close-knit community. Today, Ponoka balances its past with the needs of the present. While agriculture remains important, the town has diversified, with healthcare, education, and small businesses contributing to the local economy. Its location along a major highway keeps it connected while still maintaining the quieter pace that many residents value. In many ways, Ponoka represents the broader story of rural Alberta, a place shaped by land, resilience, and community.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!